Samsung Galaxy S10 is the expected name given to the Galaxy S9 successor. Galaxy S10 has been predicted by many to bring substantial improvements to the product line. The hardware has been rumored to be coming in 3 variants next year. Such a move would represent a radical change for Samsung that has recently set a pattern of releasing their S devices in 2 sizes. The Galaxy S8 and S9 both arrived in smaller versions, but the South Korean tech giant also offered Plus options for each that came with larger displays and bigger batteries. In addition to coming in regular and Plus variants, a budget version of the Galaxy S10 has also been rumored. And a recent report from the investor claimed all 3 models will arrive with a fingerprint sensor under the display. Such a move would allow for a new way to unlock the Android flagship and negate the need for a scanner on the phone's rear. The outlet cited from an industry source and declared 2 varieties of the Galaxy S10 would arrive with an ultrasonic in-screen reader, while the more affordable version of the phone would come with an optical sensor. The alleged insider said, the 2 high-end Galaxy S models will come fitted with an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint scanner, while the other one will house an optical fingerprint sensor beneath the screen. Ultrasonic fingerprint scanners are more accurate and secure than optical readers. But now Sam Mobile appears to have shed more light on the forthcoming flagships. Excitement for the Galaxy S10 is hotting up. Samsung has already publicly hyped this 10th anniversary model, and a flurry of leaks have revealed its taller display, ultrasonic in-display reader, fast updates, 5G support, true Face ID rival and gradient colors. And now we know about arguably its biggest upgrade of all. Citing a source who has been right on multiple accounts in the past, the ever-reliable Sam Mobile has attained specifications for the Galaxy S10's all-new triple rear camera. There's just one concern. Breaking down the specs, Sam Mobile reveals the Galaxy S10's primary sensor will match the Galaxy S9's 12-megapixel f1.5 and 2.4 variable aperture lens. This will be supported by a super-wide 16-megapixel sensor with f1.9 aperture and a 123-degree field of view, as well as a 13-megapixel telephoto lens, aka optical zoom, with an f2.4 aperture. It's no news that Samsung is working on Galaxy S10, which is rumored to launch sometime between January and February 2019. However, we don't actually know much about the device apart from the fact that there will be 3 variants and at least one of them will have a triple camera setup. Samsung Galaxy S10 was actually supposed to be the first device with a triple camera setup, but Galaxy A7 beat it to the punch. That said, Galaxy S10 will have an impressive camera according to a new leak. The Galaxy S10 will have a tripod camera setup with 12-megapixel f1.5 2.4 variable aperture lens, a 16-megapixel sensor with f1.9 aperture and a 123-degree field of view, and a 13-megapixel f2.4 aperture sensor. As for the concern, this comes down to pixel size. Both the wide-angle and telephoto lenses have very small pixel sizes of just 1 m, which will restrict the amount of light both modules can take in. More positively, however, is a pixel size of 1.4 m on the primary sensor, which is in line with Apple's iPhone XS and Google's Pixel 2 XL. Interestingly, Sam Mobile notes the Galaxy S10's wide-angle lens will lack optical image stabilization and autofocus, but as it is designed to shoot panoramas and other typically static subjects, this isn't a big deal. Notably, LG omits the same features from the wide-angle lens on its dual-camera G7. Of course, not all Galaxy S10 models will have a triple camera. With Samsung rolling out no less than 4 versions of its celebratory phone, the dual-camera Galaxy S10 and triple-camera Galaxy S10 Plus will be joined by a new single-camera flat-budget model, while an exclusive 5G edition is expected to be loaded with every option available. Needless to say, you'll have to save up for the top model. But don't expect to spend anywhere close to Samsung's other $2,000 game-changer. LG has offered wide-angle cameras on a score of its flagships. The technology allows for unique-looking snaps to be captured. Additionally, Sam Mobile echoed claims the Galaxy S10 will come in 3 variants, adding the most premium version will come with a trio of cameras. The outlet added the standard S10 could arrive with 2 camera sensors and the budget model will come with 1. Although rumors are swirling about the Galaxy S10, neither the device or any features have been officially confirmed by Samsung.